It's time to put on the microwave, and as you can see, I pretty much got everything on. Doors, shelves. This one doesn't really have, you don't really have to close it all the way. I'll close it for you. And you're gonna put the glass door and microwave oven. Okay. Where'd you get this?
What is this?
Okay, and I guess this is the instructions. I guess who needs them? You mess up first, then you look at the instructions, right? That's how everything goes. Anyway, so hopefully I'm watching up YouTube videos on how to install this thing. Again, hyperlapse. I'm using the exhaust fan, dumping it at the roof, so I need to rotate the blower. If I'm using it recirculating, the air will come out this way, and it has a charcoal, and then the charcoal is the one that's doing all the chemical reaction, cleaning all the stinky odor. So, but I'm using the roof, the exhaust through the roof. That's why I had that 4-inch. I'm supposed to be bend this over, I guess. Okay. I mean, it's not that hard to do. So, see? So just switch them, I guess. So now the air is blowing from through the top. And if you're using on the wall, this is the one that came off. This one here. But you still have to change the orientation of the motor, the blower. Here we go. That's it. Quite secure. All right, that's better. Cool. Now we bend it back. I'm already missing one screw. Only remove one. Two. Yep. Oh well. So now I'm gonna have to put some holes, and I already put some holes on the on there, pre-drilled. And okay, we should do it. Okay, I think I got them all. Got two stud. I got the I got two big screws that went through the studs. That should be enough. And then one I ended up using the anchor bolts. One of these. I had a stud here, but somewhere from on top I got one, but from here I don't know what happened to it. So I think I'm ready. And okay, I think I'll be needing some help. Oh, you know what? I swapped the I'm supposed to remove that. I think I have to get this off. Yeah. Ah, I see. Well, we had our microwave on this side, but since we renovate the kitchen, so we thought about hanging it in the on top of the gas stove. Save us some room. Check this out. Wonder why it's two different colors. Huh. Wonder what that is. What's the purpose of it? And then this one, supposed to, should I put it on now or later? I think I have cut it enough where I can put it later. Yeah, I'm supposed to put it on there first, then slap it on. Okay, and should be like that. Cool. All right, now I'm gonna go get somebody to help me. What do you think?
Perfect. Thank you,
there you go.
Love it.
So,
May nakakalimutan ko.
this is what I did on my my cabinet. If you paid someone to put this on, they would not do this, you know, like extend this out a little. Well, the idea of it is when I had a crown, it will stick out. So it's not a solid, it's not a straight crown. You would have something that will stick out in the center, and it looks this thing bigger. So I think that's what happened when you put it on yourself. Of course, it just takes a lot of time. And okay, now I just need to put on the vent, the pipes, and we're good to go. Here it is. Microwave oven above the stove, finally installed. And this is the finished product with the crown molding. And this is what I was telling you guys about. I had the cabinet extended out about 1 inch and a quarter, and with the crown molding, you know, sticking out, it makes the cabinet a bit bigger. It's more like a focal point. So that's how I like it. Like I said, if you have someone install this, they'll just go ahead and line it up and put a crown molding straight on. They're not even gonna bother doing this something custom. Otherwise, you're gonna end up paying someone. It's just the inside of it, I have to butcher it. But no one can see that anyway. But there you go. That's with the Maytag microwave oven. I chose this one particular. I want flush. I don't like with the handle. So. And I think the cabinet handle, it fits right on. A brush looking. Okay. There you go. Once again, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you guys back.